The time is already 2:30 and it takes it's 60 hours 60 kilometers from here, and it takes usually 2 hours to drive from here. Especially it's not about that. Kinnakorai, as you have seen in my previous video, Kinnakorai is not a big place, or there is nothing as such to see there, but it's only the mist and the fog and the route that you take. That's the main interesting thing there. So Kinnakorai is one of the most important things that you shouldn't miss. I kept my GoPro on because this was the entry towards from the main road. This as an entry. See this landscape, man. What a landscape. See this. Oh my god. ಏನ್ ಗುರು ಇದು? last mile of Kinnakorai is there. So it's another 5 kilometers more, and see the roads here. An old village, and then end of this road is Kinnakorai. And it's all a belief. Yeah. Fifteenth hairpin. This is the last hairpin bend. That's Kinnakorai. And this is the road that takes there. It's like 5 kilometers there. This. No littering, go slow. Here it is, Kinnakorai. There's a BSNL tower up here. Oh no! வந்தே இருங்க போட்டு. A cup of tea, that to a black tea, a lemon tea. That is what is Kinnakorai. This is Kinnakorai, and we are the last end village. A cup of tea. Peace. Returning back from Kinnakorai now, and I would like to wind up this episode here. This is like somewhere around 21 kilometers to the stay that we are in, and The time now is 7:40 and it will take somewhere around 1 hour to reach this 20 kilometers. So it's like the roads are uneven, or it's like a guard road or something like that. So that is why it takes that long. So I've already started, and two more boys have yet to join in the back, but I don't see them, and this is not the right place to stop, so I'm just proceeding now. They said me that they'll be tailing me back, but I don't see them for some reason. So this, as I said, this is not the place to stop. So yeah, well then, if there is any surprises, you can see in the video, or else we'll end up this episode here. And as usual, take care of yourself. If you have not watched the previous video or episodes, it is there in the tag that comes now, or it's there in the description. You can just click, you can watch all those episodes that is about this, right? So bro, ಇದು ಐಬಿಎಂ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಇರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಡಾಮಿ